Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to open up this Boxyluxe, well, Boxycharm Boxyluxe box. I'm super excited. I love the Boxyluxe box. And so it's just a bigger box than what you would normally get. So if you are not familiar, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription that comes with full-size products. This is like an amazing box. If you don't have one, you need to get one. And if you decide to, check down in the description box because I do have a code for you to use, and that will be, you know, that will help you out, and that will help me out. And then once you're subscribed to them with the $21 a month, you can upgrade to the Boxyluxe, which only comes out 3 times a year. I mean, every 3 months, I'm sorry. And you'll get way more products in here. But the cost of it, I believe, I can't even remember, it's an extra $28. So the 21 plus the extra 28 every 3 months for this box right here. So I'm not going to keep running my mouth. I want to go ahead and get this open. Okay, let's see. So the first thing I see is the card, and it says all access. And on the back you do get the products and how much they cost. I'll reference that as we go. And I'm just going to pull out the first thing I see, which is this on top. What is that? Tarte High Performance Naturals Park Ave Princess Chisel Palette. Okay, I love the packaging so far. Let me see. Let's get this open. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Look at that. I love, oh my gosh, just the packaging alone is beautiful. That is so pretty. Okay, if I can get it open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't, oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells like cocoa, like hot cocoa. That is really, really nice. So this is what it looks like. Really, really nice. I'm not too sure I'm going to use this. You got Halo, Enhance, Carrot, Princess Cut, Angle, and Crown. Although it's really, really pretty, I'm not going to swatch these because once I start back to, you know, dealing with my Poshmark, this might end up being on there, even though it's beautiful. The back is gold. So this retails for $45, and it's a bronze and glow palette. So that's what it is. It says the waterproof formula adds instant warmth and dimension across a variety of skin tones. So although it's beautiful, the only reason I would probably keep this is for the packaging. But because I probably won't use it, I'm just going to put it back in here. And I don't know. It may end up in my Poshmark at some point when I start selling again. But yeah, for now I'm going to set that to the side. Okay, let's see. Then you got the, okay, the Violet Voss. I can't remember what month it was, but I did get a Violet Voss palette from Boxycharm, and I actually love it. This is an eyeshadow palette. Those are the colors. Really, really pretty. I'm loving that emerald right there. Dusty Rose, pink, that plumberry. All of these colors to me are perfect for fall. That's what I'm seeing right now. And Violet Voss is really pigmented and really nice. It did have a full mirror up there. Really, really nice product. It retails for $29. And it says provides revamped essential shades and an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics, so you can create the most fast-forward neutral look. And then it says a bunch of other stuff, but yeah, so this is cool. And like I said, it retails for $29. Okay, so then the next thing I see, I'm gonna just pull this out because it's the biggest thing in here. What is this? A clipless curling iron with cool tip. Did I ask for a curling iron? I cannot remember. I remember I got an email saying which item did I want to choose. And I can't remember, but I think it was a choice between a curling iron and a flat iron. I don't know. I can't remember. I don't remember if I picked this. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really use curling irons too much. but let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's really nice though. Look at that. It has a nice big barrel. Really, really nice. And I love that it swivels, you know. So let's see. And it just has an on-off switch, so it's not like you can change the temperature on here. It says it's by Sutra. Let's see what it says on this paper. Sutra clipless curling iron with cool tip. The clipless curling iron is the perfect tool for beach waves, glam curls, soft or tight curls, or even ringlets. Heating element and infused titanium polished barrel. And this retails for $65. So that's actually really cool. Again, that will probably, I'm just being honest with you guys, again, that will probably be in my Poshmark because I'm probably not going to use that. Let's see. This one, IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Vegan, cruelty, and gluten-free. Petroleum and mineral oil free. And it has coconut oil. Leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. For dry, coarse, or frizzy hair. I said frizzy. Apply to damp or dry hair, air dry, and blow out. So that's what this is. So this retails for $29, and it's just basically a leave-in conditioning balm that says it won't weigh your hair down. So that's pretty cool to try out. Okay, the next thing is this. Oh my goodness, I remember seeing this when I went to Ulta. I did a video for you guys, and I was looking at this, and I love the bottle. This is a Glow Recipe Pineapple Brightening Serum, pineapple with pineapple, vitamin C, and chamomile. Let me show you guys this bottle. So let's see. I thought this was so pretty. Look at that little bottle. It looks like a little pineapple. I think that is so cute. Okay, so this retailed for $49. And it says the ultimate brightening serum for brightening and smoothing, formulated with a stable blend of 22% pure pineapple juice. One of the most potent sources of natural vitamin C. And it, let me see, and vitamin E to soothe even the most sensitive skin. So like I said, this retailed for $49. And yeah, this is a Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. This retails for $50. Oh my goodness, Dr. Brandt is always really expensive, and I love their products. This one retails for $52. And yeah, so it does exactly what I said it does right there, and it is 1.7 ounces. Okay, it looks like we have only 2 more items in here, and I know this is Stila because I can tell by the packaging. Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. What color? Ooh, Rubino. That's a pretty color for fall. I'm gonna open it, but let me just tell you, it retails for $22. The original Power Pout. It says it's enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil. This lightweight formula softens lips so they look and feel beautiful. Okay, enriched with avocado oil. Oh, look at that color. Uh-oh, look at that color. That is so pretty. Let's see. I love those type of colors. And it's so thick and so creamy. Look at that. That is beautiful. I cannot wait to put that on and wear that. I'll definitely be using that through the fall. And then this last thing by Hank and Henry, which I've never heard of. It says this is a the paper says it's a blackety black a blackety black eyeliner that retails for $20. It says introducing our latest addition to the Slick Witted line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte. Long wear trapped and it's transfer resistant. And it's perfect for those with hooded eyelids. That's what it says. Can't never go wrong with an eyeliner. So these two together I'm super excited by, and pretty much everything else. So that is going to be everything that came in my Boxyluxe box. I know a lot of people do videos where they're like, is it worth it? Is it worth it? I'm gonna honestly say I think Boxycharm is definitely worth it. Definitely worth it, because like I said, you still, even if you just do the one box with the monthly box for $21, you'll still get some really nice full-size products, and you won't be disappointed. And especially with the Christmas one coming up, you definitely want to get one. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. And did you guys get the same exact things in your box? If you got it, and yeah, just let me know down in the comment section, and I'll talk to you guys real soon in my next video. Bye.